So I just received my sofa. Both these rolls came in one box. You can see here it's pretty compact. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and open them up and let it air out, and then we're going to go over all the features. So it's hard to believe that this actually came in two rolls, but it came out really well. It's all aired out and fluffed out. As you can see, it comes with 4 pillows. We've got 2 large ones, 2 small ones. Of course, we have an ottoman, and then the couch itself. Now you can configure this in different ways. So for instance, as you can see here, I just pull it apart. You could put it in a different part of the room, put the ottoman maybe on this side or out by itself. The material is very nice and soft. And this is actually made of foam under here. It's not too soft or too hard. It feels really good and comfortable. So when I'm leaning back here, it's all really well. I can put my hand over, of course, here and rest here, watch television. This is great for a playroom too. And with the ottoman, same way. You can see here I'm sitting on the edge of it. It's not collapsing at all. It's just a good, firm feel. Easily you could sit on this, put your legs on it. Also, the bottom side, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. This could go on the bottom too. This is on the floor. This is made so it doesn't move around easily. Just wherever you lay it, that is where it's going to stand. Especially if you have children and you're moving around, you wouldn't want these cushions to be moving around, and that is what it's for. But I'm really surprised at the quality, because when it comes in a bag, sometimes you're not sure what you're going to get, but this is just really nice. Of course, this is made of the same material, very soft. And overall, I'm really happy with it. It's easily to put together. You take it out of the bag, let it air up, and you're ready to use it. Hope you found this review helpful.